नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वती व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयति गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। सीतारामभ्यं नमो नमः। सर्वदेवाय नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। Good morning to all of my dear friends and my dear viewers, best wishers. First of all, you are watching my video so keenly. I am giving my heartly congratulations and thank you to all because you are in the right track and the right path. As you all know, my dear viewers, I am your spiritual and motivational public speaker. The Gita series which is now going on, so please give it so much love and affection, not only to the Gita but also to the channel and to all the people of this universe, because we are all the brotherhood. Okay, so my dear friends and my dear trustworthy viewers, we have already discussed till chapter number 12. Now I am going to discuss the chapter number 13. So let's come and enjoy this beautiful chapter. Chapter number 13 is going to one of the best chapter in this Gita verse, because it is the chapter of discussion. It is Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yoga, the yoga of discriminations between the field and the knower of the field. So come and discuss this chapter. अथ त्रयोदशाध्याय। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेति तं प्राहो क्षत्रज्ञ इति तद्दिवः। Sri Bhagavan said, this body, Arjun, is termed as the field, and he who knows it is called the knower of the field, by the sages discerning the truth about both. Kshetrajñam chapi mang viddhi sarva kshetresu bharata kshetra kshetrajñayo jnanam jatyanam matang mama. Know myself to be the kshetrajña in all the kshetra, Arjun, and it is the knowledge of the field and knower of matter with its evolutes and the spirit which I consider as true knowledge. तत्क्षेत्रं चचादृक्त्य यदि कार्यतश्च स च जो तत्र भावश्च तश्च मासेन मे शृणु. What that field kshetra is and what is its nature, what are its modification, and from what causes what effects have arisen, and also who its knower Kshetrajna is and what is his glory. Hear all this from in brief. Shrutibhi बहुधा गीतं छन्दोर्भिः विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्र पदैश्चैव हेतु मध्यैर्विनिश्चितैः. The truth about the Kshetra and the Kshetrajna has been expounded by the seers in manifold ways. Again it has been separately stated in different Vedic chants and also in the conclusive and reasoned text of the Brahma Sutras. Mahabhutanyahangkaro buddhiraktamaeva cha indriyani dasikam cha panchachandriya gocharaha. The five elements, the ego, the intellect, the unmanifest, primordial matter, the 10 organs of perception and action, the mind, and the five objects of sense, sound, touch, color, taste, and smell. Ichha dvesha sukham dukkham sangatasthitatanadhutihi etat kshetrang samasena sabikaram udarutam. Also desire, aversion, pleasure, fame, physical body, consciousness, calmness. Thus is the kshetra with its evolutes briefly stated. अमानित्व मदभित्व महिंसा क्षंतिरार्जवं आचर्यापासनं शौचं त्यज्यमात्मविनिग्रहः. Absence of pride, freedom from hypocrisy, non-violence, forbearance, uprightness of speech and mind, etc. Devout service of the preceptor, internal and external purity, steadfastness of mind and control of body, mind and the senses. इंद्रियान्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यमनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि दुःख दोषानुदर्शनम्. Dispassion towards the objects of enjoyment of this world and the text, and also absence of egoism, pondering again and again on the pain and evils inherent in birth, death, old age and disease. असक्तिरनभिं स्वङ्गः पुत्रदार गृहादिषु नित्यं च समाचितत्वमिष्टानिष्टोपपतिषु. Absence of attachment and the sense of mindness is in respect of son, wife, home, etc. and constant equipoise of mind both in favorable and unfavorable circumstances. मयि चानन्ययोगेन भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी विविक्तदेशसेवित्वमरतिर्जनसंसदि. Unflinching devotion to me through exclusive attachment, living in secluded and holy places and finding no delight in the company of worldly people. अध्यात्म ज्ञान नित्यत्वं तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनं एतज्ज्ञानमिति प्रक्तमज्ञानं जगतोऽन्यथा. Constancy in self-knowledge and seeing God as the object of true knowledge. All this is declared as knowledge, and what is contrary to this is called ignorance. Geyam yata pravakhyami jasmat tvamrutamashnute anadimat parang brahmana samata saduchuchyate. I shall speak to you at length about what which ought to be known, and knowing which one attains supreme bliss. The Supreme Brahma, who is the Lord of the two beginningless entities, Prakriti and Jiva, is said to be neither Sat being nor Asat, non-being. Sarvataha panipadam tassarvato khisiro mukham sarvataha sutimalloke sarvamabhrutya tishtati. It has hands and feet on all sides, eyes, head and mouth in all directions, and ears all round, for it stands pervading all in the universe. Sarvan sarvandriya gunavasam sarvandriya vajjitam asaktam sarvabhuchaiva nirgunam gunabhoktu cha. Though perceiving all sense objects, it is really speaking devoid of all senses. Nay, though unattached, it is the sustainer of all nonetheless, and though attributeless, it is the enjoyer of gunas and the three modes of Prakriti. बहिरंतश्च भूतानामचरं चरमेव च सूक्ष्मत्वा तदभिज्ञेयं दूरस्थं यन्ति केचित्. It exists without and within all beings. It constitutes the moving and the unmoving creation as well. And by reason of its subtlety, it is incomprehensible. It is close at hand and stands after two. अविभक्तं च भूतेषु विभक्तमिव च स्थितं भूतभर्तृ च तद्ज्ञेयं प्रशिष्णु प्रभाविष्णु च. Though integral like space in its undivided aspect, it appears divided as it were in all animate and inanimate beings, and that Godhead, which is the only object worth knowing, is the sustainer of beings, as destroyer, the destroyer, and the creator of all. Jyoti samapi tajyoti tamasah paramuchyate jnanangeyam jnanagamyam idi sarvatra idi sarvasya tishtitam. The Supreme Brahma is said to be the light of all lights and entirely beyond Maya. The Godhead is knowledge itself, worth knowing and worth attaining through real wisdom and is particularly abiding in the hearts of all. इति क्षेत्रं तथा ज्ञानंज्ञेय युक्तं समासतः मद्धकायित विज्ञाय मद्रावायोपपद्यते. Thus, the truth of the Kshetra and knowledge, as well as the object worth knowing, that is God, has been briefly discussed. Knowing this in reality, my devotee attains to my being. Prakriting purusang chaiva vigyayanadim abhavati ubhavapi vikarascha gunasesya taiva vidhi prakriti sambhavam. Prakriti and Purusa know both these as beginningless and know all modifications such as likes and dislikes etc. and all objects constitute of the three gunas as born of Prakriti. Karya karana kartutve hetu prakritiruchyate purusa sukha dukkhanam bhoktrubhye hetu ruchyate. Prakriti is said to be responsible for bringing forth to the revolts and he instruments, while the individual soul is declared to be the responsible for the experience of joys and sorrows. Purusa prakriti stohi bhunkte prakriti jagrunan karanam guna sangosya sada sadyo nijanmasu. Only the Purusa in association with Prakriti experiences objects of the nature of the three gunas evolved from Prakriti and is it attachment with these gunas that is responsible for the birth of the real is good and evil Oms. Upadrashtanumanta cha varta bhakta jageshwara Parama Khetri Chasupto Dehesmi Purusaha. The spirit dwelling in this body is really the same as the Supreme. He has been spoken of as the winters, the true guide, the sustainer of all, the experiencer, as the embodied soul, the overlord and the absolute as well. Jaya bang beti purusang prakruting cha gunesaha sarvatha vartamanopi nasabhuyo vijayate. He who thus knows the Purusa, spirit and Prakriti, nature together within the gunas, even though performing his duties in every way, is not born again. ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचिदात्मात्मना अन्ये संख्येन योगेन कर्म योगेन चापरे. Some of the meditation behold the Supreme Spirit in the heart with the help of their refined and sharp intellect. Others realize it through the discipline of knowledge and still others through the discipline of action, karma yoga. Anye teva maj jnanam antah shuttvaanyabhyang upasate tepi chati taranti va mrityu hriti parayana. Other dull-witted persons, however, not knowing that, worship even they have heard from others, that is, the knowers of truth, and even by they who are this devoted to what they have heard, are able to cross the ocean of a mundane existence in the shape of death. Javasajayate kinchi sattvang sthavara jangayam Khetra Khetrajna Sanyoga Tadviddhi Vardarsava. Arjun, whatsoever being the moving up or unmoving, it born, know it has emanated through the union of Khetra matter and the Khetrajna spirit. For the next verse tell, Samarma Sarvesu Bhutesu Tishtantang Parameswaram Vinasya Vinasastva Vinasastya Kantang Japasyati Sapasyati. He alone truly sees, who sees the Supreme Lord as imperishable and abiding equally in all perishable beings, both animator and inanimate, समं पश्याहि सर्वत्र समावस्थितमीश्वरं न हि न तत्त्वनात्मानं ततो जाति परं गतिं. For by seeing the Supreme Lord equally protect in all, he does not kill the self by himself, all thereby attains the supreme star or the supreme state. प्रकृतैव च कर्माणि क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः ज पश्यामि तथात्मानमत्कारं च पश्यति. He who sees that all actions are performed in every way by nature, Prakriti, and the self as the non-doer, he also verily sees. Yada bhuta पुंचक भावमेक स्तमानुपश्यति तथा एष च विस्तारं ब्रह्म संपद्यते मम. The moment man perceives the diversified existence of beings as rooted in the one supreme spirit and the spreading forth of all beings from the same, that in moment he attains Brahma, who is truth, consciousness and bliss solidified. अनादित्वानि निर्गुण तत्परमात्ममव्ययः शरीरस्थोऽपि कुन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते. Arjun, being without beginning and without attributes, this indestructible supreme spirit goes dwelling in the body, in fact does nothing nor gets tempted. यथा सर्वगतं सौख्यात्मकं नोपलिप्यते सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे तथात्मानोपलिप्यते. As the all-pervading ether is not contaminated by region of its subtlety, so pre-matching the body, the self not affected by the attributes of the body due to its attributous character. यथा प्रया प्रकाशन्येकः लोकमिवं रविः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा कूतनं प्रकाशयति भारत. Arjun, as the one sun illuminates this entire universe, so the one Atma spirit illuminates the whole Kshetra field. Kshetra ज्ञेयो रेव मंतरं ज्ञान बहुधा भूत प्रकृतिर्मोक्षं च दे विदुषन्ति ते परं. Those who thus perceive with the eye of wisdom the difference between the Kshetra and Kshetrajna and the phenomenon of liberation from Prakriti with their evolution reach the supreme eternal spirit. Thus, in the Upanishad sang by the Lord, the scripture of yoga, the scripture of yoga and the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, and ends the 13th chapter entitled the yoga for discrimination between the finer and the near of the field. So this was the beautiful topic of ज्ञान क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ विभाग जगो. ओम तत्सदिति श्रीमद् भागवत उपनिषदे ब्रह्म विद्याशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्ण संवादे क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ विभाग योगो नाम चतुर्दश अध्यायः. हरि ओम. इदं शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति.